students, before starting our session, I will show you some pictures and I will ask you some questions. You have to listen my questions carefully and answer them properly. Okay, so here is our first picture. Yes, students, see this picture. What do you see in this picture? Yes, this girl, yes, she is receiving gift from her friend. The boy is giving her a gift and she is receiving a gift. So students, tell me, when you receive a gift or something, when you take something from someone, what do you say to them? What do you say to them? What do you say when you take something from someone? Yes, very good. We say thank you. What do we say? We say thank you to them. Yes, thank you is a golden word. Now, students, when you want something, at that time, when you request something, what do you say? Yes, see this picture? You say please. What do you say? Yes, you say please. This is another golden word. Yes. Now, students, when we get up early in the morning, what do we say to our parents? Yes, what do we say? We say good morning. What do we say? Yes, very good. We say good morning. When we go to school in the morning, we wish our teacher also good morning. Yes, we wish teacher good morning. Then, when we go to sleep in the night, when we go to sleep in the night, what do we wish? What do we say? Yes, see the word. It's good night. Very good. We say good night, everyone. We wish good night to all of them. Yes. So, students, today we are going to see a poem of bedtime. Means how our bedtime starts. When and how our evening starts. Okay. So, students, first of all, in the evening, what happened? What can you tell me? What do you see? Yes, now I will show you. See here. See here. This is the first picture of ours. What is the sun is sinking down. The sun is sinking down. Yes, the sun is sinking down. Yes, this is our first sign that the sun goes down when the evening begins. Yes, very good. So let's stick this picture over here so that you'll come to know. Yes. So all you can see this? Yes. Yes. See, this is a sun. After that, yes, the evening is coming. The evening is coming, and what happened? The sun sinks to rest. Sun sinks means what? The sun sets. So let's take our coming here. Yes, the evening is coming and the sun sinks to rest. So we can say, see the word sink. What is the meaning of sink? Sink means to set down, to go down. Yes. After that, the rook. Have you seen a rook bird? See, this is a bird. See this. This is a bird. And see, this one is a bird. This bird is called rook. It looks like a crow. See the color of the bird. It's a black and it's look like a this looks like a black crow. Yes. So the rooks started flying in the sun. After that, what happened? They say, yes. Then you can see here in this picture, I'll show you some pictures also. Now let's just see the butterflies. See this. What is this? See this butterflies, what the butterflies are doing? Yes, they wander from flower to flower, and they take, collect their food. Whole day they wander from one flower to another flower to collect their food. And in the evening, this butterfly also, see, they fold their wings and they also went to their nest. So let us take our butterflies over here. Okay. And what can you see in the evening? What we see in the evening? What else do we see in the evening? Yes. Now I will show you some. After butterflies, there are some bees also. We call them honeybee. Where are our bees? See. Now see here, birds. Let's see the birds. Like this bird, like this rook bird, all birds also in the evening time, they also fly to their house, fly to their nest. Yes, they all go out in search of food in the day. And after finishing their work in the night, in the evening, they go to their nest. So let us take our nest also, birds also here. Yes. Yes. So there are see the now. This is sun setting down. Here the butterflies are also going to the nest. Then here the birds are also going. The birds, see the birds. The birds are also going to their nest. Now next is honeybee. I told you, see, you have learned this lesson of honeybee. Yes. What do? They go to, they wander from flower, flitting. They keep on flitting from one flower to another flower in search of nectar. What is nectar? Nectar is a sweet juice which they collect from the flower and then they take to their honeycomb, from which we get a very sweet honey. See, you can see how they are collecting honey. This is only a picture, but they take that sweet juice in their mouth. Okay. So honeybee is, students, the honeybee is also called a very busy bee, because the full day she do a lots of hard work. She do lots of hard work. She wander from one flower to another flower in search of that nectar, and she collect that nectar in her mouth. Then she goes to her honeycomb and then she produces honey over there. So this bee is also known as a busy bee. Busy bee. Do you understand? So let us stick our busy bee also here. Yes. Now students, see. Yes, busy bee. Now after that, there are some other one also who do their work. Now see students, here are some birds. I'll show you one picture again. Yes. Now see students, this. Here are birds who are feeding their young ones. Who are feeding their young ones in the evening. They feed them early in the evening so that they can sleep early and they can get up very early in the morning. See, her mother is feeding them. Yes. So birds also do a very hard work. Like us, they also go in search of food outside. Okay. So students, today, this is our poem. This one is our poem. And in the night, we also fall asleep. We also go to bed. Usually, when we finish our dinner, what happens? Our mother reminds us. Our mother, what she says, she tells us that let's go to sleep. It's your bedtime. See here, she shows us a watch and she tells us that let's go to sleep. It's your bedtime. So students, today we are going to learn same poem of bedtime. Now you can sing with me our poem. Okay? Yes. So you can sit straight. You can do actions also. I'll show you action. Okay? So one, two, three. Let's start. You can put your finger like this. You can snap your fingers like this for rhythm. Okay? You can do like this way also. You can clap your hands also. Okay? So we will see these pictures and we will say our poem. Okay? So let's start. The evening is coming, the sun sinks to rest, the rooks are flying straight home to the nest. Once again, the evening is coming, the sun sinks to rest, the rooks are flying straight home to the nest. Check out the rook as he flies overhead. It's time, little people, to go to bed. It's time, little people, to go to bed. Now, next one. The butterfly drowsy. What is the meaning of drowsy? Drowsy means to feel sleepy. Yes. The butterfly drowsy. He folded its wing. The butterfly drowsy, he folded its wing. The bees are returning, no more the birds sing. See, the birds in the evening, you have observed that uh, when in the morning we get up early, that time we heard lots of bird sound. Lots of birds are chirping, they are singing. But in the evening, as the evening time passes, the birds also stop singing. They also stop chirping because in evening or at the night time they don't sing, they also fall asleep. It means what? Each and every living thing, whether it is a big or small, they all fall asleep in the night. Yes. So see here, the labor is over, their nestling are fed. Nestling means what, students? See here, the nestling means their young babies. The nestling are fed. It's time, little people, to go to bed. It's time, little people, were going to bed. Yes. And when we finish going to bed, there is what we do say? We say good night to everyone. Now, students, I will show you one PPT of related to it. Now, before starting our PPT, I'll show you some words because these are the new words in our poem. So you have to keep in mind this words. I'm going to explain meanings of this poem. I will give you definitions of this poem, this words. But before that, see this words. The word is sinks. Sink means what? Sink means to set down. In this poem, this word means to set down. See here. Yes, to set down. After that, see here, the next word is rest. What does it mean? To take rest. Yes. Then see this word also. Flying. You know what is flying? Yes. See, the birds are flying because they have their wings to fly. So they are flying. After that, see this word. Nest. What is the meaning of nest? Nest means to the bird's house. Like, see here. See this one. See here. You can see here the nest. Okay. So this is called a nest. Now very important word is there, that is drowsy. See this word. So this word, it is drowsy. How's it? Drowsy. Drowsy means to feel sleepy. In the night, at your bedtime, automatically we all people fell feel like sleepy. Why? Because we do very hard work for the full day, and after a hard work, we people, all living things also, they all feel very, very sleepy. Yes. So these were the difficult words. Now, students, I will share one PPT with you to show you that to explain. Yes. Now let's see our PPT. See your students. Our poem number 37 is bedtime, and we are going to see the hard word meaning. Now see your students, I have told you the meaning of sink. Sink means to goes down. The sun goes down. Now the second one is rook. Rook is a bird. It is a name of a bird. It looks like a crow, but it is not the actual crow. It looks like a crow. Drowsy means feeling sleepy. Then come labor. The word labor is also there in the poem. So labor means hard work. Then nestling. I have shown you this picture also. Nestling means young birds. The bird who are sitting in this nest, they are small ones. The young ones are called nestling. Then fed. See, fed means to eat. How your mother feeds you when you go to school, when you come home, she keeps on feeding you. Whenever you feel hungry, your mother feeds you. Yes. So the word fed means to eat. Now see, a student, there is one more important word in the poem, that is dawning. Dawning means beginning to grow light. When after sun sets, there comes next morning, when the sun rises also. So that rising, that starting of rising sun, it's called dawning. It means beginning to grow light. Now students, see, this is our poem bedtime. Let's sing once again our poem with a rhythm. Yes. One, two, three, start. The evening is coming, the sun sinks to rest, the rooks are all flying straight home to the nest. Cow, says the rook as he flies overhead. It's time, little people, we're going to bed. It's time, little people, we're going to bed. The butterfly, drowsy, has folded its wings. The bees are returning, no more the bird sings. The butterfly, drowsy, has folded its wings. The bees are returning, no more the birds sing. Their labor is over, their nestlings are fed. It's time, little people, we're going to bed. It's time, little people, we're going to bed. Good night, little people, good night and good night. Sweet dreams to your eyelids till dawning of light. Good night, little people, good night and good night. Sweet dreams to your eyelids till dawning of light. The evening has come, there's no more to be said. It's time, little people, we're going to bed. It's time, little people, we're going to bed. So, students, have you heard the poem carefully? See the rhythm. You can learn poem very, very easily when you remember the rhythm of the poem. So, you can tap your fingers also, you can do actions also, or you can clap also for the rhythm of the poem. Yes. So students, this was our today's poem, in which what we have learned today, we learned that how our evening starts, what happens before our bedtime, before we go to sleep. Why do we fall asleep in the night? It's just because we do very, very hard work for a full day, and after a hard work, our body gets very, very tired, and we fall asleep. Everybody understood this? Yes. So keep this rhythm in your mind of the poem, in your mind, and revise this poem at your home. Repeat this poem again and again. And whatever difficult words are there, please write the meaning of the difficult words. It is there in your textbook also, and I have shown you in this lesson also. So write it down and read it very carefully. But okay, last but not least, student, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel also, because it will give you more and more educational videos from which you can learn very easily, very quickly. Yes. So have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Stay home and goodbye.